We've covered quite a bit of theory already, so I'm sure that by now you're itching to see how to actually configure our Cisco devices, our routers, and our switches. Now, Cisco do have graphical user interfaces, like web-based interfaces that you can use to configure the devices, but in the real world, everybody uses the command line. Well, experienced engineers use the command line because it's much quicker than using the GUIs. And the operating system that is used on enterprise grade Cisco devices is iOS. So in this section, you'll learn how to connect to the router or the switch, and then how to make your way around the command line. Just before we get into that, we're going to have one more theory lecture where I'll talk about the different operating systems that are available from Cisco, because there's not just iOS. So we'll do that first, and then we'll get into actually how to connect to the device and how to make your way around the CLI. Let's do that now.